Hi, welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. Today's project is installing a bench vise. And I just received this awesome bench vise and I'm going to mount it today on this workbench. But these two are on wheels. My neighbor remodeled their bathroom, and when they remodeled it, they had these vanities that they weren't using anymore. So I grabbed them, I took them apart, I painted them, and I put wheels on them, built it up to the height of the other table, so we've got a full-length bench here. We have a bench sander here that we use for a lot of the woodworking projects. We also have a bench grinder, and we've got different videos on this, installing these pieces, especially assembling the bench grinder and then using it. It's really nice and solid. I put a light and electrical outlet on here so I can plug it into the back and get multiple connections. I've got a USB port here too to charge my cell phone, and I'm really looking forward to getting this done. So here we go. But the place where I want to put this will likely be at the edge and maybe even a little bit over the edge, and I'll explain why here. If I ever have something that's really long that I want to stand up, I don't want it to be impacted by the bench top. What I do want it to be able to do is come off the edge. So I just picked up these torque washers, and if you take a look at them, you'll see that they got these spikes on them, and they fit the head of the carriage bolt perfectly. So I'm going to send these through first so I can seat the torque washers under the bottom. Then we'll take them back off, put the vise back on, and then we'll measure. We're going to have to cut these because they're just too long. Awesome. Been needing this for a very long time. So that's it. Thanks for watching on the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. If you haven't done so already, subscribe and you'll see all the things that we do here at the Suburbanstead life. See you on the next video. Bye.